Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a API with Flash. Okay, to create a API using Python Flash, the to first let me open the WSL CMD. Just open it. First, you should open that WSL here in my case Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay, it is Ubuntu machine. You name -a. Okay, Control L, clear this. I have already created a Flash API and it is uploaded in my GitHub repo. You can clone it in your machine. Okay, to clone the this application, go to my repo. This is my GitHub repo and repositories. Here you can write Flash. Okay, this repo. Here just go to the code and HTTP and copy it. Sorry, copy it and go to here. And here you can copy the code from GitHub into your machine. Just use this command git clone and name, paste the URL and hit enter. Okay, and go inside the directory cd, and this is the python-flax app, python flax app, and hit enter. Open the directory in VS Code. For this, use cod code space dot and hit enter. It will open the directory in VS Code. You can see this is the file structure. One is app.py. Here API is written, and another is requirements.txt. Here Flax is mentioned. Okay, here go to the app.py. Here Flax is library is used, and the root endpoint, this is the Flax root endpoint. It shows the message first code on Python Flax, and the /hello endpoint, it returns the message hello world, and /ping, it returns the message pong. It runs on the port 8181. To run the any Python application, you should create a virtual environment first. Okay, you should create a Python virtual environment. How to create a Python virtual environment? To create a Python virtual environment, just use this command python 3 -m venv, then name of the virtual environment here .venv, and hit enter. It will create a .venv file. This is the virtual environment. Then you should activate it. To activate it, use this command source .venv directory, then bin, then activate, and hit enter. Here you can see at the first .venv, that means your virtual environment is activated. Okay, your virtual environment is activated. It is recommended before running the any Python application. Okay, it is done. Then you should install the dependencies which is mentioned in the requirements.txt file. To install the requirements.txt file, to install the dependencies, you should use the pip. Pip is the Python package manager. It is used to install the dependencies in Python. To install it, just use this command pip install -r, then name of the file here requirements.txt file re, and then hit tab and hit enter. It install the Flax in your machine. Okay, Control L, install dependencies. It is done. Using pip you can install. Then you can run the Python application. To run the Python application, just use this command python 3 and then name of the file here app.py is the file app.py, and hit enter. It is running on port 1. This is 8181. You can just open in browser, or you can copy this URL, copy, okay, and then go to the browser and paste it here and hit enter. It will shows at the /root URL. Go to the app.py. Here shows root/root. It shows the first code on Python Flax, and you can also see the first code on Python Flax. That means you have successfully run the Flax API on your machine. Slash, what is the slash? Hello. It shows the slash hello, HELLO, and hit enter. It shows the hello world message. And if you create the ping, it shows the message pong. That means you have successfully run the Python application on your machine. Okay. In this way, you can run any Python application, or you can create a API using Flask by using Flask. Okay. To stop the application, just use Control C. Okay, Control C. And deactivate the virtual environment, use this command, deactivate, and hit enter. Okay. If the video is helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.